Think owning one rental is stressful? Try managing 10 or 20 or 50. Scaling your real estate portfolio sounds exciting. More cash flow, more equity, long-term wealth. But most investors hit a wall.
Too many late-night maintenance calls, too many vacancies, too many tenants to keep track of. That's where Alpine Property Management Kansas City steps in. We help investors scale without the chaos. Let's talk about how.
First, systems. If you're still using spreadsheets and sticky notes to track rent and repairs, scaling is going to crush you. We run everything through a central platform. Rent collection, lease renewals, maintenance requests, inspections, financials. It's all automated, organized, and visible in real time. You focus on acquisitions. We handle the rest. Second, vacancy control. You can't scale if your properties sit empty. Every day without a tenant is money burned. We move fast. Turnovers are efficient. Listings go live with strong photos and competitive pricing. Inquiries are followed up within hours, not days. More speed, less downtime, better cash flow. Third, tenant screening that actually works. One bad tenant can stall your whole portfolio. Damage, missed rent, eviction, it's a domino effect. We screen hard. Background, credit, income, rental history. No shortcuts, no gut feelings, just facts. Fourth, maintenance that scales. You can't rely on your uncle's buddy who does some plumbing on the side when you're managing a growing portfolio. We have licensed, reliable vendors ready to go. They know our standards, they show up on time, and they don't overcharge. Emergency at 2 a.m.? Covered. Routine repairs? Done right the first time. Fifth, financial clarity. Scaling means bigger numbers, more moving parts. You need clean books and accurate reports. We give you detailed monthly statements, tax-ready reports, and a dashboard where you can check performance on every property, anytime, from your phone. One of our investors told us they felt blind with their last manager. They had no idea how their properties were performing. Now they know everything. Rent roll, expenses, net income, all in one place. Sixth, growth support. Most managers just babysit the properties you already own. We go further. We help you identify strong markets. We show you which units are underperforming and where you can add value. Want to convert a long-term rental to a mid-term furnished unit? We'll run the numbers. Want to increase rent without losing tenants? We've got a strategy. You're not just getting a manager, you're getting a partner. Seventh, local boots on the ground. If you're investing from out of state, you need someone who knows Kansas City like the back of their hand. We've managed in Brookside, the Northland, Midtown, Independence, Raytown, Waldo, you name it. We know which blocks rent fast. We know which areas are heating up, and we know how to avoid the traps. Out-of-state investors rely on us because we protect their assets like they're our own. Eighth, turnkey rehab coordination. Buying value-add properties is how most investors scale. But if your remodel drags out for months, you're bleeding cash. We manage the whole process. Scope, bids, timelines, inspections. From demo day to move-in day, we're on it. No ghosted contractors, no surprise invoices, no stalled progress. One of our clients picked up a duplex that needed everything. Roof, plumbing, paint, the works. We had it rent-ready in 32 days, leased in a week. That's how you scale. Ninth, legal protection. With more doors come more risks. You need tight leases, fair housing compliance, and someone who knows the rules in Kansas City. We keep you out of court and out of trouble, period. 10th, exit options. Not every unit is worth holding long-term. Maybe the cash flow dropped. Maybe it needs too much work. We help you know when to sell, when to refinance, and when to hold. Because scaling isn't just about buying more, it's about building smarter. Now, if you've got a property that's dragging your whole portfolio down, here's the good news. We buy houses. Any condition, any situation, vacant, inherited, bad tenants, major repairs, we'll take a look. No commissions, no inspections, just a fair cash offer and a fast close. So whether you're adding your next rental or offloading a problem, Alpine Property Management Kansas City has your back. Want to know the top 3 mistakes landlords make when trying to scale? Subscribe now. We've got a video coming just for that. And hey, What's your biggest challenge right now? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk strategy.